everybody. I am Sierra Hamilton, and today we will be making the Monte Cristo. First we get our mayonnaise, and we spread it all over this bread. And over the second piece of bread as well. There is a third piece of bread involved in this recipe, but I will not be adding anything to it. So we'll just leave these two looking pretty like that. And typically mustard would go on next, but my husband does not like mustard, so we'll be skipping that step. So we're gonna just go straight to the cheese. We're gonna put one little piece of provolone there. On top of that, we'll be putting not one and not two, but 3 whole pieces of ham on top. Here's where our third little guy comes in. He's gonna go right on top of them. Next, we're gonna put a second piece of provolone. And on top of that, we will be putting 3 pieces of turkey. Next, we'll be putting our final piece of bread on top. Then we will be taking our plate of scrambled eggs and dipping it in this guy so he is good to go in a pan. Making sure he doesn't slide all over the place like some sandwiches like to do that I maybe make. We'll be taking this messy, goopy guy over to the pan that I have ready for us after I can get some goop off of it. Goodness gracious. Go away. I don't want straight egg on me. Gross. We'll be taking this Alright, I'm going to check on my little friend here. Ooh, perfect. Was a fire hazard because cooking oil is flammable. Well, not the cooking oil, but only one. Okay, next we are going to take some of our raspberry jam and we're going to put a little bit on top here just to turn our little sandwich almost into like a dessert, or sorry, not a dessert, like a breakfast, or dessert I guess, but it's like French toast with raspberry, and you know what the next ingredient is? Powdered sugar. What? You can call that what you will, I suppose. So let's sprinkle some of this powdered sugar all over this bad boy. Our second Monte Cristo. Now let's cut this thing and see how she looks. Yes, my food is a she. At least this one is. The next one could be a he. Yep. There she is. Looking as beautiful as ever. It's interesting. would be a really good breakfast sandwich on a cruise. That's what I feel like I'm eating. Or to brunch. I like it. It's weird for dinner, but I like it. Sandwich approved. Drop that on the floor. I think we're gonna try and be fancy with this next day. On the floor.